Imagine waking up to a home that knows your routine, an assistant that plans your day, and a car that drives itself. AI is making our lives smarter and easier. Explore AI gadgets and hacks to boost productivity and simplify life. Let's dive in. First up, we've got smart assistants. Walk in with groceries, say, "Hey Google, turn on the lights." No more fumbling for a switch. Cooking and need a timer? Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes. Done. It's like having a personal assistant. They learn your routines and preferences. Your home becomes more intuitive. It's like your house is catching up to the 21st century. Next up are smart thermostats. And let me tell you, these things are game changers. Imagine waking up to the perfect temperature. They learn your preferences and adjust automatically. They even save energy when you're away. It's like having an invisible energy manager. Let's be real, nobody loves vacuuming. But here's the good news. Robot vacuum cleaners are here to save the day. These little guys use AI to map your home and clean your floors efficiently. And the best part? You can kick back and let the robot do all the work. Many robot vacuums are getting smarter all the time. They can learn your home's layout and even empty their own dustbins. If you're like me, your to-do list is never ending. What if managing tasks was easier, more efficient? That's where AI-powered to-do list apps come in. These apps help you organize, prioritize, and schedule your to-dos. It's like having a second brain for your tasks. Let's be honest. Email can be a black hole of productivity, but AI-powered email assistants can make it less overwhelming. These tools sort, filter, and respond to your messages. Imagine clearing your inbox in a fraction of the time. Scheduling meetings can feel like a full-time job, but AI scheduling tools are here to make your life easier. These tools find meeting times, send out invites, and reschedule appointments when needed. It's like having a magic calendar that manages itself. Smartwatches have gone way beyond just telling time. They're like mini computers on your wrist, powered by AI, track steps, monitor heart rate, even pay for groceries. Detect falls, track sleep, and get fitness recommendations. It's like a health coach and assistant in one. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, AI-powered fitness apps can elevate your workouts. They analyze your fitness level, track progress, and provide personalized routines. Adjustments are made based on feedback and performance. Feeling sore? The app suggests rest or lighter routines. Crushing goals? It challenges you more. Taking care of our mental health is just as important as our physical health. AI-powered mental health apps offer support like guided meditations, breathing exercises, and mood tracking. They supplement professional help, providing guidance when needed most. Self-driving cars have fascinated and sparked debate for years. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise are testing them on public roads. Using sensors, cameras, and AI, these cars navigate, avoid obstacles, and transport passengers safely. Benefits include increased safety, reduced congestion, and improved accessibility for people with disabilities. Online shopping has never been easier, but with so many options available, it can be tough to find exactly what you're looking for. That's where AI-powered shopping assistants come in. These tools act like your personal shoppers, learning your preferences, and helping you find the best deals. Imagine browsing an online store and seeing a curated selection of items tailored to your taste and budget. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, AI is integrated into our lives. It's in our smartphones, our cars, our homes, even our appliances. AI technology continues to evolve, bringing more innovative and life-changing applications. AI augments our abilities, making us more efficient, and giving us more time to focus on what matters most. AI is changing how we live, work, and play. It's already part of our lives. Which AI tool do you use the most? Let me know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech videos. See you in the next one.